Alright, well, we got a project here. Well, this actually isn't a project, this is kind of just for some fun. So, I didn't want to film this because this is a 8-month ordeal that I've been dealing with. Basically, this transmission had a failure on the input shaft, which I'll show here in a minute. So it failed completely, and I couldn't save it because I can't weld cast aluminum, and well, it is pretty destroyed. We're pretty sure that the bearings on the inside got damaged as well on the input shaft. So it's not a huge, we could have saved it if we cared enough, but it's just for longevity of the vehicle, we wanted to have it replaced. So we ordered a new one. We spent probably 8 months with it sitting in my backyard after we tore it apart and figured out the issue. And you can see right here, there's supposed to be this pressure, what do they call this? The throwout bearing sleeve is where it slides on to disengage and engage the clutch. And well, it destroyed itself and destroyed the case in the process. And Subaru said they could get us a case, but it was going to be like $3,000 for just the case. So we ended up with finding a used one for $1,000 and putting it in. We just finished that up. So now I'm in the process of, I'm curious about well, how does it function? Sorry, I'm getting back in the stand. And you're back. So how does it function? What goes on? How does it work? What's in all the gears? How does the shifting mechanisms function? So I'm just curious. So I'm going to begin with the disassembly. And we are going to see what it looks like inside of a 2010 Subaru Legacy GT 2.5 liter turbo transmission with the 6-speed manual. So we are going to be digging into this and kind of just seeing what's out there. I'm curious, and my buddy who had this happen to, he's also curious about what happened and how bad did the internals turn out afterwards. So we are gonna, if I can get the right damn sockets, we're gonna get this torn apart. And I'm gonna try to get you in different perspectives, but I'll be honest, I'm just trying to get this knocked out because, and I wasn't even gonna film this. This was just all for my curiosity. So I'm just curious. He told me to scrap this, and I didn't really want to just scrap it without looking at it, because it's kind of interesting how this whole thing functions. There's a shift mechanism. Looks like it's held in by a roll pin. Well, that might be more of a pain to get out than I expected. Fuck, sheared off my punch inside there. And I dropped my socket. Alright, we'll deal with that in a minute. This is gonna come off, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna piss oil out. Pardon your legs. Got these pig mats. We'll use those to catch the oil. I've drained it already, but I bet you there's more in there because it's just how it always is. And this side. Sorry, I'm in your way. Gotta get access to this. All right. And we don't really care too much about this. I mean, I can try to maybe sell these things for parts, but I'm not particularly concerned because I was told just to scrap it. Shit, wrong hammer. Did I miss one bolt? Nope. Well, that's dumb. My battery just died out on me. It was like 100% power a minute ago. Oh well. I think I got a better chisel. More of a point. Whoop, there it goes. It's kind of what I expected. And let me get out another mat. Just in case we need it. It's sitting right there, ready to go. So looks like this is the final drive. Yep. So power gets transmitted through here to this bearing or this gear, and then to here to out. So this would be the final drive. I'll set this over here, out of the way. So from here, what do I have to do to get the rest of this apart? Let's see. Looks like we're gonna get this side plate off. Hey, Cooper. Quit it. Quit it, Cooper. Quit it, Cooper. My dog is going insane for some reason right now. No rhyme, no reason, just going crazy. Coop! Quit it! Is it because you see a squirrel? So this looks like it's the reverse gear, or it's a reverse light shifter, or reverse lights sensor right here. And this is the detent for the whole thing. So let me get a screwdriver. Scared myself. Okay. So detent for the shifter to go in different positions via this, which is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This is your reverse light, what tells you reverse lights in your car to come on. I'm guessing at everything here, so just a fair warning and FYI on that. Because this could be totally your reverse light, because it's also a detent. But the fact that that's the shifter mechanism that would hit the detent on the reverse and tell you where you're at. So it looks like I do need to get that out. So let me bring you back in a bit once I've punched this out, or once I've gotten this torn apart a little bit more. I'm pretty sure I could just knock these off and this whole thing comes apart, but I'm also not entirely certain on that. So let me see what I can do from there, and I'll bring you back in a minute once I've figured out what the next step is. So, well, I have to get this out in order to get the rest of the transmission separated. So breaking my chisel off in there was a dumb move, because now I'm fighting it. I can't drill it out because it's too hardened steel. Can't hammer it back through because it doesn't want to go back through. Rather than cutting it off, I'm going to just try to heat that area up and try to just punch it through as hard as I can. Hopefully that it expands and contracts enough that it allows it to go through. Because once this comes off, I can hammer at that shaft and then it will come apart. So I figured I'd bring you back because I made some progress, but something bit me in the butt because I fucked something up, which sucks. So we'll see if we can make progress on it actually. Maybe if I just go tap it back through. Sorry, I'm in the way, but I can't see. Alright, I think we're resulting to cutting. Partially because that is not wanting to budge at all. And I don't want to waste a lot of time on this because I'm tired of messing with it already. Oh, you're in my way. Alright, I'll bring it right back. Gotta move you out of the way. Alright. So if your glasses on, watch it, it's gonna be loud. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just kind of give it some slits down the middle like this. Hammer a chisel in it and then it should crack. Okay, so that's there, and then ooh, toasty scalp. Okay, do a little more. thicker than I thought. Alright, whatever. Alright, surely. Now that's just bending. Maybe can I punch it out now? I know, that's not the right tool. Don't yell at me too much. That's what I've got. Jeez! This piece is kind of a toughie. Gotta watch it because if I spread this too wide, then it's not gonna allow it to go back through. And it looks like I've got more to cut down here. I just want it, it looks like it's kind of separating actually at the top. There we go. Yeah, that's a... Jeez. A puncture hole in my wall? Nope. Alright, now I gotta go this way. I'm in your way, I know. And keep in mind, this transmission was basically scrap from here. Like all the upper part is scrap, or the case has a scrap. So I'm not happy I have to destroy this piece, but I do need I do need this transmission, or I do want to scrap it eventually and take it to the salvage yard and get the cast aluminum pieces out and everything, so gotta do what you gotta do on it. Oh, that's the rear differential. Still cannot get that out unless this is out. So, well, that does suck that I have to go all the way. It's doable. Will that help it? Oh, that's a good hit. That's a good hit on my hand. Yeah, look at that. Piece is gone. Yep, there it is. Come on, little baby. There's a little clutch shift fork inside there that's got to come out. There it is. So that's the end half. Oop, can you even see? Yeah, you can. So bearing race in there. This piece can come out. Yep, like that. That's another piece. There's a spring in there. I'll work on removing that. And then you punch this bottom piece out. You can do it on the ground so I don't have to worry. Hey. Oh, dang it, I kicked you. Cooper, no one's there. Sorry. Let me deal with the puppy real quick. Get him to quiet up. Be right back. Alright, he finally shut up. And I've been working while he's just been working on this while he's been kind of barking. So basically, it's pretty much just splitting on its own. Jeez, this thing's freaking heavy as all get out. So, yeah. It should just come apart. Now I'm going to knock this out. Just because I don't want to damage the shifter. I don't want to damage the gear set. So I'm going to knock out the roll pins. Just because I've already fought it once. Where did that punch go? There it is. The perfect roll pin. Punch. So. All right, I need to get a. Okay. Whoa! Look at that separation there. Oh, jeez, this is heavy. Move, Cooper. Whew. So, this is your front differential. It's an open diff. Nifty. It's heavy as I'll get up. And then these are your shifter packs. Or this is your 6-speeds. So the gear's looking really good condition. So yeah, that's awesome. Whoa. And here's where I was kind of concerned got some damage. So that's the seal. That seal got damaged. Bearing looks in good condition. It's got some wear spots on it. It definitely looks like this at one point was like low on oil or something. Man, nothing is like a good bearing. Jeez, it's beautiful. Look at this. It's in bushing. Yeah, it really doesn't look as bad as I expected. Oh yeah, there's the, I think you can see where that is. That's from the throw-out bearing failing on it. So the question is, now this is the fun part for me, is what is all scrap? What, can I get scrap aluminum? So that I gotta pull out. The race. That's not, there's just a dowel there. Another dowel. But this is all aluminum. Alright, let me get this wiped up a bit. Shot the dipstick out. Should be able to pry that bearing out. I know, sacrilege, destroying, but this was destroyed beforehand and now it's just getting scrapped. Yep, bearing race. Came right out. And what is there anything else in there that is steel? Axle seals out. That was metal. So now we should be able to see, so that's a freeze plug. Shoot. Dumping all of this oil on my workbench. Oh well, this is all kind of fun for me though. Couple things I want to work with. Man, Cooper, you're just You're amazing because you sit so close to me and you're such a loving puppy, but you just do not have a sense for space. That's not coming out. That one's not coming out. Will this one come out? I'm sure my salvage yard won't care about one little theme, steel in it, even though they probably will. I'm like, nope, we can't do that. But they will. I mean, that's kind of what I got. This whole thing is just a project for fun. Ain't nothing special. This one's actually got shift force and stuff I can remove. And real quick, before I get too far along, that's gonna get out. Alright, whatever, that's gonna get another day. Where's my little... Alright, gotta hammer this straight. Because it's just... not letting me hit it right. So that one's through. So that one's through. What is holding you on? Should be able to punch out this guy. And this guy should be able to get punched out. Yeah, now that's stuck. Yeah, I'm being aggressive. I don't care about this though, that's the thing. bag, Cooper. Quit it. Quit it, Cooper. I'm gonna have to figure out how this all comes apart. Well, the snap ring's there. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause on this for a minute. My family wants to go and walk the property with me. So I'm gonna do that with them. Which should be kind of fun. So, I'll come back once we're all set. This has basically been just destruction upon destruction, which is kind of therapeutic sometimes, so at least for me, I enjoy it. Except my dog is in the way, so I can't do anything. He's just in the way, blocking me and growling at random objects that he sees, or he thinks he sees. Come on. Don't fail me now, little crappy. My little crappy little punch from Harbor Freight. Okay, that's torn apart. Ah, there we go. Think you're still recording? Kind of hope you are, because I'm literally just destroying this. Well, not destroying. It's just slowly but surely coming apart. Slowly, I mean, it's slowly coming apart. Move, Cooper, move. And keep in mind, when you see me doing this, it's not because I don't know how it should go together and how it should come apart. I have no manual. This is literally just all from trying to figure it out. Oh no, that's not. That needs to come out. Jeez. Sorry, Cooper. Oh, I should have said noise warning or something. That's loud. All right. That should be all things metal on this. Yep. So, and that's the transmission. That's pretty much it for what is in a Subaru transmission. That's kind of fun. Not gonna lie, that was actually like really fun to just tear apart. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I try to keep it kind of clean and simple, but I kind of had some fun. Right now, I'm gonna let it sit and then pick it up later. I'm gonna go visit my parents. So, thank you guys for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will try to keep some new content coming out. I just bought a new vehicle, so maybe I'll be doing some tune-up work on it or something like that. So, have a wonderful day, and toodaloo.